In this video, I will show you how you can earn money by clicking. You can do this from your phone, PC, or laptop. And the cool thing is this works all around the world, no matter where you live. You don't need any investment at all to do this. You don't need to sell anything. You don't need any social media followers. This is one of the easiest and fastest ways to make money online. Anyone from anywhere in the world can make money. In this video, I will show you how to sign up for free, how to earn money on this website, and how to withdraw your earnings. But before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe to my channel with notification bell. Now let's get started. First of all, go to this website, which is called PaidVerts.com. As you can see here on this website, they say that connect, click, and earn. Discover how easy it is to advertise and earn at the same time. They have over 4 million registered users. This website is secure, transparent, and sustainable. Their website is supported by a high-quality, secure system that ensures all your information remains safe. All transactions made on their platform can be tracked. Follow every single order you've made with them. They have designed a sustainable system based on real revenues made by real products. They have a mobile app that you can download from the Apple Store or the Google Play Store. If you click on this statistics button, you can check their statistics here. You can see the number of registrations during the last 30 days. They are getting over 200 members every day. You can see the number of active accounts in the previous 30 days. They have over 11,000 daily active members. You can also check profit during the last 30 days. Once you click on the Earners button, you can see the payment proofs. Now take a look at these numbers. These are the money that people are receiving with this website. You can also check the last 48 hours top earners. Now, the very first step you're going to do is click on the Register button that will take you to this page. Now, all you're going to do is enter in your full name, confirm password and email, input your date of birth, solve this CAPTCHA, click on this Terms of the Service box, and click on the Open Account button. But you must enter an actual date of birth. Because you can read it here, you must enter an accurate date of birth. This is their primary security question, and you cannot recover this data. So enter your accurate date of birth for the account recovery issue. Once you have logged into your account, you will be able to find you get full access to the dashboard. You can keep track of your balance. You can see your statistics, how many BAPs you have, and so on. Now you're going to come up here and click on Paid Ads. Once you do that, you will get full access to this page. Once you get to this page, you're going to have a huge collection of a bunch of different ads that you're going to click on. Sometimes you get real money. Sometimes you get BAPs. But don't worry, you can exchange it for real money. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button with the notification bell if you don't want to miss our upcoming videos.